In this video, you'll learn how to convert AXS to USDT on Binance. This process will enable you to quickly swap your AXS tokens for USDT, which is a popular stablecoin. Follow along to complete this conversion efficiently. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the main dashboard, navigate to the trade section located in the top menu. Here, you will see two options, convert and spot trading. If you prefer a straightforward swap without using the order book, select convert. If you want more control over the trade, search for the AXS/USDT trading pair in the spot trading area. Before proceeding, ensure that your AXS balance is available in your spot wallet. Next, if you chose the convert option, you will be directed to the conversion interface. In this section, select AXS as the asset you wish to convert from. Then choose USDT as the asset you want to receive. Enter the specific amount of AXS you want to convert. Pay close attention to the quoted conversion rate displayed on the screen. This rate informs you of how much USDT you will receive in exchange for your AXS. It is crucial to verify that the amount you entered is correct before moving forward. After you have reviewed the conversion details, confirm the transaction, a countdown timer will appear on the screen indicating the time remaining to finalize the conversion. Binance will process your conversion almost instantly once you confirm. This quick processing time is one of the advantages of using the convert feature. Once the conversion is complete, check your spot wallet to verify that your USDT balance has been updated. You should see the new USDT amount reflecting the conversion you just completed. Additionally, the transaction will be recorded in your conversion history, providing you with a reference for future transactions. If you opted for the spot trading method, you could also see the details of your trade in the trading history section. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.